Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your HSBC mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your HSBC mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in hsbc.co.uk and make a search. The official page of HSBC mortgage account will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right corner of the page. On the next page, enter your username and tap on Continue. Tick mark on the box that says Remember Me in case if you want your username to be remembered next time you log in. Now enter your security code associated with your HSBC mortgage account and tap on Log On. This is how you can log into your HSBC mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.